Good morning students. Let us do today chapter number 8, rational numbers. Now rational number which is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. It means the rational numbers, it can be 3 by 7, 4 by 8, 1 by 2, but the denominator should not be 0. Okay, now let us do exercise 9.1 for class 7th. Exercise 8.1 for class 7. Question number 1. Now question number 1 is list 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Okay. So minus 1 and 0. As it is written to find the 5 rational numbers. So we will take one more. Then 5, if we add 1 to 5, what we get 6. So what we will do, firstly students, see that we can write minus 1 as minus 1 upon 1 and 0 as 0 by 1. And as I have told you, and we have to find the 5 rational numbers, we will add 1 to 5. So it becomes 6. Now we will multiply both the numerator and denominator with 6 on both sides. Okay. So what we get when we minus 1 into 6 is minus 6 upon 6. And here what we get 0, when we multiply anything it becomes 0. So you can write down the terms, any 5 rational numbers. So minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6 are 5 rational numbers which lies between minus 1 and 0. Okay, so in this way you can find any 5 rational numbers which would be between minus 1 and 0. Okay, now let us do one more part of this slide when we are given the different rational numbers. So now let us see. Let me do the next part, fourth part of question number 1. Minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay. Now if you see 2 and 3, these are the denominators. If you take the LCM of 2 and 3, what we will get? 6. Now minus 1 by 2, another it is 3. Okay. So if you multiply this with 6 on both sides. Okay, so what you get? 1 into minus 6 upon 12, and here you will get 12 by 12. So any 5 numbers you will find in between minus 7 by 12, minus 8 by 12, 9 by 12, or because it is positive, this is negative, you can write any other also. 7 by 12, 8 by 12. So these are the numbers which are the 5 rational numbers which lie between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So this way you can find the 5 rational numbers between any two terms. Okay. Now the next question 2 is write 4 rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Pattern means you have to see what is given in the first sequence, then you have to continue that sequence in the same way. Now if you see question number 2, first part, it is written minus 3 by 5, comma. Now we will see firstly what is given to us. Minus 6 by 10, comma, minus 9 by 15, comma, minus 12 by 20, so on. Let us find more this one. We will complete it. Now if you see this one, the upper numerators, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. You will find that it is a table of 3 with the negative sign. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Now if you see the denominator, 5, 10, 15, 20. It means here in the denominator we are having a table of 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 31. So this way you can complete the factor. Now let us see one more. Now I am solving the third part. If you see here, it is written minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by this one 24, and we have to fill the next. Now see how we can solve this. If you see, there is a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this, after 4, which number we will have? 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now in the denominators, if you see what we are having, 6. Okay, negative sign was there, but after that the negative sign is with the denominator. So we will place the negative sign with the denominator. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So this way again our pattern is complete. Now students, question number 3. In question number 3, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. Now we have to write 4 rational numbers which are equivalent to this one. If this type is given, so we will write the number. Firstly, 4 rational numbers we have to. Now we will multiply both numerator and denominator with the same numeral. Suppose if in exam it is written, write down the first 4 rational numbers, then we will start with the 2. We will multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2. Minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 upon 14. Second rational number, again you will write down the same rational number, and now we will multiply with 3, both numerator and denominator. So we will get the next. Third rational number would be same, because we have to find the equivalent rational numbers of this rational number minus 2 by 7. Only we are going to take the numeral different, but the rational number would be same. So we got this one. Now fourth rational number for 2 by 7 is minus 10 by 35. So all these, minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 31, minus 8 by 28, minus 10 by 35 are equivalent rational numbers of minus 2 by 7. So in this way you can do the other parts also. Now let us do the question number 4. Question number 4. What we are given is, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Okay, we have to draw a number line. So if you see, first rational number is given to us to be positive. If there is no sign before it, it means it is a positive rational number. Then next you have to see the denominator. What is written in the denominator? Denominator is 4. So firstly students, when we have to draw a rational number on line, then we will draw the positive as it is positive 0. You know 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. So on right side of 0 we will find all positive numbers, and on left side of the 0 we are having negative numbers. Now let us represent, simply write down the numbering at regular intervals. After 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on, as we need only 3. So it is necessary whatever the numerator is written, it should be coming over here. Now if you see in the denominator what is written 4. Now you can divide all with 4. Now students, if you see, if you divide 0 with any number, it will be 0 only. It means it is 0. Because 0 divided by any number, it would be 0. Now 4 divided by 4, it means it is 1. What it is? It is 1. Now it would be greater than 1 now. Now 3 by 4 we have to represent. You can circle it. This you got 3 by 4. Now next is one negative side I will tell you. Third part. In third part what we are given, minus 7 by 4. Now if the negative is there, so means we have to show the left side of 0. We have taken 0 on left side of regular intervals. Intervals should be same. Okay, means gap. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Take. Now what we will do, minus 7. Now see what is written in the denominator. If you divide 0 with 4, you will get again 0. So I am not going to write here 4. So 4, 4. Okay, if you see 4 upon 4 is 1. As you see minus 7 by 4, it is greater than minus 1. So it is here on this minus 7 by 4. You can circle it. This is how you can represent minus 7 by 4 on number line. Okay students. Now let us do next question. Now next question is question number 5. Question number 5. Now question number 5 is given to us. A number line is here. Okay. 0 is in the middle. Here 1, and after there we are given 2, E, P, Q and B is written here. Now on the other side we are having this one, T, R, minus 1, T, R, S and U. I think so. Now students, they have told to find as P, Q, R, S. This one, P, Q, R and S. We have to find their rational numbers, these rational numbers. Now we have to see, firstly students, if you see how many intervals these are. If you see 1, 2, 3. How many intervals these are? 1, 1, 2, 3. It means each part is representing 1 by 3. Each part is 1 by third. This is 1 by third of this whole. This 1 by 3 of this whole. And this is also 1 by 3 of this whole, this fraction or this rational number. Okay, now as we want to, as it is starting with -1 and we are moving to left side. Now first rational number which we want to find, it is r. So for r, what we will do, -1, starting with -1 we have to reach over here. Gap is 1 by 3. So till here it is 1 by 3. So -1 by 3. If nothing is written in denominator, we can write 1. LCM of 1 and 3 would be 3. -1. So we will multiply both. Okay. So what we got? LCM is same. Now we will write ones. 3 minus 1. So minus minus is added. -4 by 3. So means what we got for here? We got -4 by 3. Take it. R value comes out to be -4 by 3. Now for S. Now we will start with this and we will reach here. -4 by 3. Again as we are moving to left side, -1 by 3 because each part is 1/3 of it. Now bases are same, powers are this one as the denominators are same. Now -4 and -1. Minus minus would be added. -5 by 3. It means here value of S is -5 by 3. Okay students, so we have found the values of S and R as I have shown you. Now next way I will find the value of P and Q both. Now let us see further in the same way. Now students, see for finding the value of P. Now we are not here at 1, we are now here at, as shown is at 2. So we will write 2, and as we are moving on right side, interval again is, because these are 1, 2, 3, total parts are 3. So each part is representing 1/3 of it. Okay. So we will, as on right side we will have the plus sign and each part 1/3. Nothing is written below denominator, so we can write 1 by ourselves. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So 2 by 1 into 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Now denominators we will keep it same. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 3. What is the P represents here? 7 by 3. Okay students, now let us find the value of Q. Now next rational number. Now we will continue with this 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Again because on right side plus 1 by 3. Each part is 1 by 3. Now denominator is same. 7 plus 1. What it is? 8 by 3. So here we got 8 by 3. Okay students. So in this way we found out all the rational numbers. R value comes out to be -4 by 3 and S value comes out to be -5 by 3. P value we found 7 by 3 and Q value we found 8 by 3. Okay, so this way you can solve this sum. Now let us do next sum, question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational numbers? Okay. Now students, when these types of sums are given to find which is greater, which is lesser, comparison or fill-ups in sometimes when we are getting the sums. If you see in this exercise, this one 6 sum, 8 sum, where is the comparison to put the greater sign, lesser sign, we will use one simple way. This one, cross multiplication. Let me firstly write down the question. First part, 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. Now students, how we can solve this? If you see this one, you can write first again. Now cross multiply. When we do the cross multiplication, only the numerators, their numerators are remaining at same speed, same side. Only the denominators, they are going to the opposite numerator. 9 will go with 7 and 21 will go with 3. 7 and 3, they will not change their position. Okay? Some students, they commit mistake. Sometimes they take 3 on this side, 7 on this side. It would be wrong. Numerators will never change their place. They will remain as it is. So who is going? Opposite denominator will go to the opposite side. So for convenience, you can place a bracket in between. Now 3 into 21. 9 into 7 is 63. If you see, if you multiply again, you got the same. So as these are same, equals to, you can write 7 by 21 and 3 by 9 are same rational numbers. Are same rational numbers. Okay. So this way you can solve all the other parts also. Simply do the cross multiplication. Now similar type you can use it for solving the 8th sum. Okay, 7th sum I will do after 8 because 8th sum is also the same type. Now let us do 8th question. Same way we can solve. Okay, here it is written to fill with the greater, lesser or equal to sign. Minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. This one box. And 2 by 3. And 2 by 3. Now, students, same way, apply only this method, cross multiplication. Numerators will remain same. 2 into 7 minus 15. 2 into 7 is 14. So, tell me, minus is lesser or 14 is lesser? You know very well. Minus 15 is less than 14. It is greater 14. You know simply, or if you remember simple thing, greater sign always have the mouth open towards it. So, you can keep this sign in between. It means that is minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. If sometimes they tell you which is greater, so you can tell 2 by 3 fraction rational number is greater. And if they tell you to place the sign in between, you can write the sign in between. Okay, so in this way you can solve the other parts also. Okay, so I will solve one more part, fourth part of this same sum. Fourth part. Now fourth part, if you see, it is written minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Then minus 7 by 4. Now again cross multiplication. Minus 8 into 4. Minus 7 into 5. 32. 5 is 35. Now, as you know, if we keep on moving from 0, if we move from 0, minus 1, minus 2, it means the greater we go, the lesser it would be. If we are having the negative sign, if we are moving with on the on more left side, it would be less. So it means this is greater than the minus 35. So minus 8 by 5. Okay, minus 32 is greater than this. So minus 8 by 5, you can place a sign, this one. Or if someone tells you to write, then you can say minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Okay. So this is how you can solve this exercise. Now question number 7, which I have left in between. So let us do that also. Question 7. What has been told in question number 7? Rewrite the following rational numbers in simplest form. In simplest form, then we have to write minus 8 upon 6. If you see minus 8 upon 6, okay, these two other, can you see find that any number in which both these numbers are coming, 8 and 6, they are coming in table of 2. So simply write this again. Now divide with 2 both. Okay, you can't divide with the separate numbers. You have to see that same number, same table with which you will divide. So minus 4 and 3. So this is your answer. But if you see further, minus 4 by 3 is a rational number, or you can write this way only. You can just write down the answer. Now one more part, third part. Minus 44 upon 72. Okay. Now if you see the last numbers, these are even numbers. So it will be divisible by 2. You can divide with 2. What you get? 2 2s are 4, 22 upon 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again, if you see, you can divide minus 22 upon 36 with 2. So minus 11, 2 1s are 2 8s are. So what is your answer? Minus 11 by 18 is the answer. Okay, students. So this way you can solve the sums. Now if you see question number 9. So 9 is similar to question number 7. Question number this one. Question number 6 and question number 8. Cross multiplication. In question number 9 again it is written which is greater rational number. As I have told you in the previous question, that find out the cross multiplication and then you can find which are the greater rational numbers. Okay. So now let us move to the exercise 9.2. 8.2. Exercise 8.2. First sum, if you see, it is written. Find the sum. Find the sum. Sum means plus. Sum means plus. Now, first part it is written 5 by 4. Now, I will solve with a different 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. First of all, take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 would be 15. Now 5 by 3. We have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. LCM we got. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, you can find. Now with 5 we will multiply plus 3 by 5, 5 into 3. So here we will multiply with. Now in denominator we got 15. So 5 into 5, 25. 3 into 3 is 9. Now when we add what we got, 34 upon 15. Okay. So this way you can solve the sum, students. Now if you see, see this one, the next part, fifth part. Now let us solve fifth part. Fifth part, let us solve minus 8 by 19 plus minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. Now again students, first of all, before solving this, minus 8 by 19. Now plus into minus is minus 57. Now next, after changing the signs, you can take the LCM. If you see 19 into 3 is 57. So LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. ठीक है, LCM we have written 57 minus 8 by 19. Now multiply this one with 3, so it becomes equal to 57. Now denominator is same, 8 into 3 minus 24 minus 2. Now minus minus means plus, 27 upon 57 is your answer. Okay students, so this way you can solve the sum of the numbers. Now question number 2. In question number 2, there is minus sign given, 7 by 24 minus 17 upon 36. ठीक है, LCM of 24 and you can find the LCM. Now 2 1 8 16 2 6 12 2 9 2 into 3 9 3 1 3 3 9 3 1. So what is the LCM we got? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 3 72. So LCM is 72. So you can write the LCM 72. Now 7 by 24, in table of 24 where we get 72 when we multiply with 3. So both the numerator and denominator we will multiply with 3. And in table of 36 where we get 72 when we multiply with 2. So 36 into 2 is 72, which is LCM. LCM, okay, I will write here 72 here. Now both the denominators become same. Now 7 to 3 21. 17 into 2 is 34. Now plus minus means minus. Okay, plus minus means minus. बच्चे when we are doing this type ना, always see the upper we will subtract from the bigger. We will subtract always from the bigger. ठीक है, but in the end how which is greater, this one is greater, so we will place negative sign because we go at minus sign. 13 upon 72. ठीक है, so you can solve this and this is your answer. This way you can find the minus. Now next is product. Question 3. For finding question number 3, find the product. Okay. I am doing one part because otherwise the video will become so long. 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Now for product, you have to see number of times the negative term is coming. If it is coming odd number of times, then in the answer you will get the minus sign. But if the negative sign is repeated even number of times, then you will get the positive in the answer. Now 9 into 7 is 63. As minus is coming only one time, which is odd, so minus will come in the answer. 2 into 4 is 8. So this is your answer. Now one more part, third part, if I do of this, minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. Here also nothing is reducible, so simply 9, 6 into 54, 11 into 5, 55, this is your answer. Okay. Now let us do question number 4, where it is written the division sign. Now here we have to take care, minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Now students, if you see, now here we have to take minus 4. Division will be changing to multiplication. Once we change the division into multiplication, it will reciprocate. Reciprocate means instead of 2, 3 will come and 3 will come in the place of 2. So it would be 3 by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Some students they cancel numerator, denominator with denominator, numerator with numerator. No. You have to take care that when you are reducing, one should be numerator, other should be denominator. It should not be on the same. Either no numerator would be cancelled and no denominators would be cancelled. So in the end we got 2 into 3, 6 is answer. Now one more part, third part if we do of the same sum, 4 sum, minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. Now minus 4 by 5, division is changed into multiplication. Minus 3 means nothing is there, you can write 1. Now 1 will go, because division is changed into multiplication and it will reciprocate. Okay? Now what we got, minus could be cancelled with minus. 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 3 is 15. So this is how you got the answer. Okay students, so this way you can solve. Last part of this sum I will solve for you. 7th part. As here it is written 3 by 13. 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. Okay. 3 by 13. Division will change into multiplication and it will reciprocate. 65 upon minus 4. Now 13 ones are 13. 13 fives are 65. 3 into 5 is 15 upon minus 4. When we are writing the answer, it should be in standard form. Just remember that when we are writing the standard form, negative sign will always be with the numerator. Okay? So students, this is for today. So we will meet in the next video. Bye to all.